11 Pro original color, restoration demonstration. The screen broke. Replace with new screen. Fix original color. This phone does not have the original screen. They actually used Ture software. Unband the original color code. Follow steps. After successful unbanding, connect to Lubin L3 programmer. Detection has been successfully unbundled. Install the screen that needs to be replaced. Click on Automatic Repair. Remove the screen after successful repair. Take out the new screen you want to replace. Install the earpiece assembly. Installation test. Power on test. Original color repair successful.